In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best support apps for Shopify. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look for the option to add an app. When the prompt appears, choose Shopify App Store to open the official marketplace. If you see a Browse Apps button, click it. If the page refreshes or a modal opens, simply click Browse Apps again to land on the full catalog. This takes you to the central place where you can safely find, compare, and install apps without leaving your admin. Once you're in the App Store, open the filters and look for the Highlights or Badges area, then select Built for Shopify. This label is important. It means the app meets Shopify's standards for quality, performance, and integration. Support tools with this badge typically install cleanly, respect theme performance, and work well with Shopify's latest features. Key for fast-loading help widgets, chat, and ticket portals. Next, jump into the These apps are popular with stores like yours guide. Click through and scroll. This curated area surfaces tools that real merchants rely on, which is especially useful when you're narrowing down support solutions. Take a moment to skim multiple sections here. You'll see patterns in what stores similar to yours are installing. Now explore the featured categories you'll see across this guide. Sales channels can reveal chat and messaging layers that meet customers where they already are. Selling products and the Maximize Sales with Upsells, Bundles, Subscriptions, and More sections often highlight post-purchase support add-ons and subscription help flows. Store design and customize your store without touching code frequently include contact widgets, help centers, and FAQ modules you can add without a developer. Store management and run your business smoothly with tracking, analytics, and operational tools is where many help desks, ticketing systems, and automation tools live. Finding products and its supplier guides can show supplier communication helpers, while marketing and conversion, plus email, SMS, SEO, and conversion tools surface messaging platforms that double as support for order updates and quick replies. Finally, check orders and shipping, and streamline everything from inventory to shipping for returns portals, tracking pages, and self-serve support that reduce tickets. As you review listings, open each app page and read the description, pricing, and recent reviews. Note the number of reviews and how recently they were posted to gauge reliability. Look for performance notes, what customer data the app needs, and whether it integrates with your current theme and tools. If there's a free plan or trial, install it when you have a quiet window. Test on an unpublished theme, and confirm response times from the app's own support team. Follow this path: Admin, App Store, Browse, Built for Shopify, and Curated guides, and you'll quickly build a short list of the best support apps for